Hello and welcome to All Tastes German. Today I will show you how to make an amazing moist German pastry named Nussschnecken. Nuss means nuts and Schnecken is German for snails. But no worries, this chewy pastry has no snails in it. The name is inspired by the spiral look of the rolled up cinnamon bun look-alike pastry. Let me show you how to put this recipe together. Add flour, yeast, salt and sugar to a bowl and blend briefly. Then mix in the egg yolks. Add the melted butter and the warm milk and knead for about 5 minutes to a smooth dough. Allow the dough to rest for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, you can preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare the filling. Mix all ingredients for the filling in a medium-sized bowl. Make sure everything is well combined. Then roll out the dough to a rectangle. Spread the nut filling on top of the dough until all dough is evenly covered. Roll up the dough firmly from the short end of the rectangle. That results in more spirals and you will get larger Nussschnecken. If you prefer smaller pastry pieces, roll up from the longer side of the dough and you will get more but smaller pastry pieces. I personally prefer the big ones. Now you can cut the log into 1/2-inch wide pieces. There will be a little amount of the filling leaking out, but that's okay. Set the rolls on a with parchment paper lined baking sheet. Cover them with a clean kitchen towel and let them raise for about 30 minutes. And now you're ready to bake the pastry rolls for about 20 to 25 minutes. In the meantime, mix the powdered sugar with the lemon juice or water to a glaze. Spread the glaze on the rolls while they are still warm. And that's how easy you can make this authentic German pastry recipe named Nussschnecken. You should really give this recipe a try. They taste amazing, and hey, you can impress your friends and your family with a German pastry name that has 3 S's in a row. Guten Appetit!